Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can import files and folders from your Google Drive account to your Dropbox really quickly. It is super simple, guys. So let me show you really quickly how to do that. Head over to Dropbox, log into your account. And what you want to do, guys, is click on that upload or drop button here and select import from Google Drive from the drop-down menu. After that, Google will ask you for permission to link your account here in Dropbox with your Google account. So select your Google account, give Google the permission on the next page to link it with Dropbox. So let me do that really quickly. And after a moment, you will be redirected to your account on Google Drive. So simply select the file you would like to transfer. So let me go, for instance, with that one here and that one. So simply click on select. And after that, decide whether you would like to overwrite files with the same name or delete files from source. So let me skip both features here and simply confirm the transfer by clicking on upload here. And after that, wait for the transfer process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment depending on the file size, of course. And after that, the given file will be added to your Dropbox account here from Google Drive. So confirm by clicking on view file here, and that is going to redirect you to the transferred file here on Dropbox. So that's basically it, guys. As you can see, the file has been successfully transferred. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.